Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have an organic and vegan-friendly soup that you are going to love. This is Amy's Organic, and this is a split pea soup. This is the lower sodium version, and the soup is really tasty and it is perfect on a cold day. It's great because it's so easy. You don't have to do anything to it. You just heat it up and then you are ready to eat. So this is made with really clean and simple ingredients. It is totally organic, all of the ingredients in there. It's also gluten-free, like I said, vegan. So a lot of different people on different diets and any restrictions can eat this soup. So it is super tasty. I love to have it, especially with a big warm slice of crusty bread. So good for dipping. And I just love that it is ready in no time and I have a meal whenever I need it. So if you like to keep things like soup in your pantry and maybe you're looking for a little healthier option or a vegan option, then this is an awesome choice. I would definitely recommend it because it is great quality and it also tastes delicious. And that is my point of view.